It is a fact that all around us, things happen that we never expected. And this video of incredible animal moments can give you great surprises. The acting ability of both is drawn, so we will have two main characters here. Everyone knows how to express their love. We should consider signing this gorilla in a martial arts movie. Not everyone's lucky to see a romance scene like this. This big friends kinda help the kids pick things up. It is true that friendship has no distance. This is why the squid needn't worry about the lack of a place to live. The bird really brought money to his owner. This is the fortune that everyone wants. Puppies, like children, want someone to play with, but baby, you should find another friend. This is proof that bears are very intelligent. They can learn very quickly to imitate humans. This is exactly when you hear the neighbors arguing, and he's proven that dogs love to listen with a gaping mouth.
Isabella.
Climbing lessons are very useful in life. If you want to have a perfect body, you must exercise. It's true that good friends always have to share good food with each other. The mystery and beauty of life in the ocean can truly make people overwhelmed. His ancestors protected him very carefully. There was a possibility that something bad would happen with that smoke. Fortunately, this special rescuer arrived just in time. No one can resist the delicious taste of strawberries. It's a fact that everyone wants to be with their lover at all times. Coca-Cola is a favorite drink of all ages. These two kids can't even stop drinking. He must have just returned from a date. There's nothing to worry about when you have a bodyguard beside you. Parents won't need to worry when going far away when having a child who eats food by himself like this. The similarity doesn't determine who the leader is, but the ability to lead. Welcome to the contest. Who holds their breath underwater the longest will be the winner. There is no doubt that the dog was born to be a diver. The fact is that successful people always have their own way. Such a good example when he's self-conscious about waiting his turn.
Is he in line?
They seem to enjoy this Wheel of Fortune and must have spent a lot of time practicing that. Whoever said turtles run slow is completely wrong. This is when there's only a few days away from your first date and you haven't lost any weight. Sometimes happiness is having a perfect partner by your side. When you want to return to your childhood, but your body size doesn't allow it. The bear looked helpless when he couldn't get what he wanted. Someone please bring him a ladder. This plastic bottle friend doesn't seem to want to be friends with the squirrel very much. There's nothing better than having professional actors in your home. She can become a beauty queen with her beauty.
Hey, excuse me. Nada. Are you doing dishes? I hope so.
How do you feel about this video? Animal life is amazing, isn't it? Please let us know what you think, and thanks for watching.